Hi, today we are going to see some Linux basic commands. Okay. Whenever you log in, you have to type pwd, that is the present working directory. I have created one directory called study, which is mainly going to use for that study purpose. That means to display the examples. Okay. Now it contains the one file called a text. Okay. How to see the contents of the file? See, today we are going to see how we are going to see the contents of the file. We are having one file, how to see that content, particularly the text file. Okay. Cat is the command used to, which is used to show the contents of a file. And we can also use more. There is one more command called more, which is also display the text content. You may ask one question, then what is the difference between cat and more? Cat will display the content of the file, and we have to scroll through it. It will display only for the that screen level only. Here it will more will display the entire file at a time. Okay, I will show it, but here I am having only the content is very less only. You cannot see the difference, but anyway I will use the command. And then cp, that means how to copy the file or directory. Rm, how to remove the file or directory. Then move, how to move the file or directory. These are all the things we are going to see now. See, cat test means it shows 2 lines of the file. Actually, the file contains only the 2 lines. This is my first Linux session, and Linux is operating system. These are the 2 lines that stored inside that file. More also displays the same, but if file is very large, you can see the difference. Okay. If you are having a huge file, then you can go for cat. You can scroll through it. But more, it will display all the contents at a time. Okay. Now we are going to see how to use the copy command. Copy means CP only we are going. I am going to copy the file test to another file. Here I am going to give the name as test underscore CP. Okay, here I have given the name as test underscore CP. See, now there are 2 files are available. One is test and another one is test underscore CP. See, if you are going to do any modification, better to have one copy of the file, and you can do the modification. If any problems comes, means if you face any problem, then you can use the old file. It's a good habit. Normally in support process, we will do like that only. Whenever we do any changes in the file, we will have one copy of it and we will do the changes. If you do any something wrong, means we can use the old file. Okay. This is the way how to copy the file. How to use CP, then that file you are going to copy, then the new file name. You have to give test underscore CP, then it will copy this file to the test CP. Now you can see the contents of the test underscore CP. See, contents are copied. Okay. Now I am going to show you how to remove the file. For that, you have to use the RM. Here I have removed the file test underscore CP, RM test underscore CP. The file has got removed. Now you can use ls to check it. See, we are having only one file, that is test. Okay. We have seen about cat, more, and RM. Now we are going to see about cat, more, CP, and RM. Now we are going to see about how to move the file. that is MV. See, normally moving the file within a directory, normally we won't do that. Moving the file within the directory. When we will move means we will move the file from one directory to another directory. Then only you can see that the difference. If you move within the directory itself, you cannot see that what exactly happening. Okay, I'm going to show you how to move the file from one directory to another directory. Here I have created one more directory called learn. Okay, in learn there is no file. What I am going to do is now I am going to move the file from study directory, that is the test file, to there is one file available in the directory study, that is the name is test. I am going to move that file from the directory to the learn directory. How I am going to do that now you can see. This is the way you have to move the file. Move test the file name, then you have to specify the path, that is root/learn. See, now the file moved from study to learn. In the directory learn, we are able to see that file test. Now we will check in the directory study. See, in the directory study, there are no files available. That means the file test is moved from the directory study to the learn. Okay, this is the way how to use the move. Move mainly used for moving the file from one directory to another directory, and you can also use that to rename the file also. Okay, within the directory means you can move from test2 to test1 means it will rename the file. Okay. See, here the file got renamed. I have moved MV test to test1. That means it renamed the file from test to test1. This is the way how to use the move command. So far we have seen about 5 to 6 command in the Linux. Okay, we will see some more examples like this, okay, in the next sections. Thanks. Bye.